There's a moment in every car enthusiast's life when a machine stops feeling like transportation and starts feeling alive. The BMW M2 is one of those rare cars that makes you grin the second you press the start button. Small, aggressive, loud, and unapologetically wild, it feels like BMW built this car for people who still love driving with emotion. And in a world full of quiet electric cars and oversized SUVs, the M2 almost feels like a final rebellion. The BMW M2 does not try to look elegant. It looks angry, muscular, and aggressive from every angle. The wide body, massive air intakes, flared wheel arches, and quad exhaust setup make it look like a street-legal race car. BMW widened the body significantly compared to the normal 2 Series, giving the M2 a much more planted stance. The rear fenders are especially huge because they need to handle all the power going to the rear wheels. Some people criticized the design when the car first launched, but the more you look at it, the more it makes sense. Everything on this car exists for performance, cooling, aerodynamics, and stability. And honestly, on the road, the M2 gets attention everywhere. Under the hood sits BMW's famous 3-liter twin-turbocharged inline-6 engine, known as the S58. This is basically the same engine used in the bigger BMW M3 and M4, which is insane when you think about it. The latest BMW M2 produces around 473 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. That allows this small coupe to hit 0 to 60 mph in about 3.9 seconds with the automatic transmission. But numbers alone don't explain this car properly. The real magic is how the engine feels. The power delivery is aggressive, immediate, and violent when pushed hard. Once the turbos fully kick in, the M2 launches forward with unbelievable force. And unlike many modern turbocharged cars, the M2 still has personality. The engine growls at low RPMs and becomes absolutely furious near redline. It feels mechanical, raw, and alive. That emotional feeling is exactly why enthusiasts are obsessed with this car. One of the biggest reasons the BMW M2 feels special is simple: you can still get it with a 6-speed manual transmission. In a world where most manufacturers are killing manual cars completely, BMW decided to keep the manual alive for enthusiasts, and that decision completely changes the character of the M2. The automatic version is faster, but the manual version feels more connected. Every gear change feels mechanical and engaging. You feel like you're controlling the car instead of simply operating it. And honestly, that matters. Modern cars are becoming so perfect that many of them feel emotionless. The M2 manual brings back that old-school excitement where driving itself feels rewarding. Many collectors are already paying attention because cars like this are disappearing rapidly. A compact rear-wheel drive BMW with a manual transmission may become extremely rare in the future. The biggest surprise about the BMW M2 is how balanced it feels on the road. Yes, the car is heavier than older BMW M cars, but BMW engineered the chassis so well that the weight almost disappears once you start driving aggressively. The steering feels sharp and direct. The front end responds quickly while the rear remains playful and controllable. On twisty roads, the M2 feels compact, agile, and extremely confident. What makes this car different from many rivals is its personality. The rear-wheel drive setup constantly makes the car feel alive. You can feel the car rotating through corners, especially when applying throttle aggressively. BMW also borrowed suspension and chassis technology from the M3 and M4, giving the M2 serious performance capability underneath its compact body. This is not just a fast car. It's a driver's car. Take the BMW M2 to a racetrack, and suddenly you understand why enthusiasts love it so much. BMW designed this car to handle repeated hard driving without overheating or losing performance. The cooling systems, upgraded brakes, reinforced chassis and adaptive suspension all work together to create an incredibly capable track machine. The braking performance is especially impressive. Even during aggressive driving, the car remains stable and confident. And then there's the handling. The M2 loves corners. It feels playful, responsive, and eager to move around under throttle. Unlike some modern performance cars that feel overly controlled by electronics, the M2 still allows drivers to have fun. Disable traction control completely and the car becomes even more exciting. The rear end loves sliding and BMW intentionally tuned the car to feel playful instead of restrictive. That fun factor is becoming rare in modern performance cars. Inside, the BMW M2 feels sporty, modern, and premium at the same time. The sport seats hold you tightly during hard cornering, while the thick steering wheel instantly reminds you this is a serious performance machine. BMW also included customizable M buttons on the steering wheel, allowing drivers to instantly switch between comfort and aggressive driving setups. The digital displays are sharp and futuristic, and the interior lighting gives the cabin a high-end atmosphere, especially at night. But despite all the performance focus, the M2 is still practical enough for daily use. The seats are comfortable, the infotainment system is modern, and visibility is surprisingly decent for a sports coupe. BMW successfully created a car that feels exciting without becoming exhausting to live with every day. Sound plays a huge role in making performance cars feel emotional, and the M2 definitely delivers drama. The quad exhaust setup produces a deep, aggressive tone that instantly grabs attention. Cold starts are loud and dramatic, while hard acceleration creates crackles and pops that make the car feel even more aggressive. Some older BMW fans still prefer the sound of naturally aspirated M engines like the legendary V8-powered E92 M3. And honestly, those cars sounded incredible. But the M2 has its own personality. Instead of sounding exotic, it sounds angry and turbocharged, almost like the car is constantly ready for a fight. And compared to many modern performance cars that sound artificial, the M2 still feels authentic. The BMW M2 is more than just horsepower and speed. It's a reminder of why people fell in love with driving in the first place. Raw power, rear-wheel drive chaos, and real driver emotion are becoming rare, and the M2 captures all of it perfectly. So the real question is, are we looking at the future of BMW performance, or the end of an unforgettable era?